Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we are working on a Chrysler PT Cruiser and we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side engine mounts. This one right here. So it's the same procedure for all models and all years from 2001 all the way until 2009, I think. As the last year they stopped making them. We have the bumper off, as you can see, but this is because we need to replace it. And also we'll be doing a timing belt replacement, so you can check the video on our channel if you need to. Now, as you can see, the AC lines right there, we have those unhooked because we also put new compressors, so we didn't have any Freon and we just took them out of the way so we can reach the engine mount better. You do not have to remove them, okay? You can just replace the engine mount without removing the AC lines, but it gives you more room if you want to do a flush on your AC system and you don't have any Freon. I recommend to take them off so you have the room to work on it. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is you need to get a fork jack and put it under the oil pan. You need to use a wood block, otherwise you're most likely going to punch a hole in the oil pan because it's aluminum and the jack is going to put too much pressure on one spot. So use a wood block and jack it up a little bit until it starts, you can see it start picking the engine up in the air, and then you stop. So this way, when we take the engine mount off, the engine will not just drop and hit something and maybe break something, a line or a vacuum hose or something, even the oil pan. So now we need to remove these bolts right there, two bolts. As you can see, that's where the timing belt is. So the first thing to do is remove those. Okay, so those bolts are with 15mm socket. We're going to use the impact so it's quicker. And you just take them off. Okay, that's one of them. And the second one now. Okay, and now this one right here, this one is with 18mm socket right there. So we need to remove this one. Okay, right there. Pretty long bolt. And now this is the engine mount. Okay, it goes forward and then the back part out and the whole thing comes out. Okay, so that's the engine mount right there. When you replace it, when you buy a new one, you just need to take this bolt off so you can take the bracket on the back. And as you can see, this one is broken right there, so that causes vibrations. So, you know, like a shop or the dealer, they're outrageous for something like that. That takes about 10 minutes to replace it. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching us, and please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.